In this video, I'll show you how to improve your recording quality in OBS Studio. 1. Video settings. Open Settings Video. Set base resolution to 1920 by 1080 or your monitor's native resolution. Set output resolution to 1920 by 1080 to record in Full HD. Under Downscale filter, choose Lanchos. Set common FPS to 60 for smooth video. Click Apply. 2. Output settings. Go to Settings Output. Change output mode to Advanced. Select the Recording tab. Set recording format to MP4 for good quality and manageable file sizes. 3. Encoder and bitrate. Find the bitrate option. 10,000 kbps is a solid starting point. For even higher quality, use 16,000 to 20,000 kbps. If you see CQ level instead, remember, lower number equals higher quality. A CQ level of 18 works well for most setups. For optional, lower FPS for non-gaming. If you're not recording gameplay, go back to video settings. Set FPS to 30. This keeps the same image quality at a lower bitrate since it records fewer frames per second. 5. Finish up. Click Apply, then OK. Your recordings will now be crisper and higher quality. That's it. You've improved your OBS recording quality. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more OBS tips.